city with my team, smoking, drinking, doing our own thing. Tell me what you into, what you bring. We gon' be a problem, cause a scene. We ain't never going home. We'll be raging till the morning. We ain't never going home. We'll be raging till the morning. Tonight we getting lit. Tonight we getting lit. I'm drunk, you're not. Faded on another level, about to leave the spot. Ripping down off the walls in the party, but I'm in the back posted so nobody really noticed live. I don't know how to act, about to fill another one up in the parking lot. But I'm not a dummy, never drinking, never drive. So it's back to the party, man, I gotta get inside. I wreck shit, boy, I'm reckless. Trying to lead a party, I don't stress you. Gather up my crew, being drink's a blessing. Have fun and live it up, that's the message. Grinding, I'm splashing, I'm throwing water. Club owners say my crew is out of order. We don't give a fuck, middle finger order. Trying to kick me out, you don't really want it. Faded in the city with my team, smoking, drinking, doing our own thing. Tell me what you into, what you bring. We gon' be a problem, cause a scene. We ain't never going home. We'll be raging till the morning. We ain't never going home. We'll be raging till the morning. Tonight we getting lit. Tonight we getting lit. I rock, I'm hot. Young future, a dude move in the spot. Jewels on my neck, stay smooth. You and I make moves, you forget, you choose when to stop. 5 girls all around, you gon' watch. They know I'm a rock star, you know I'm the man. Smoother than a Lambo or a Trans Am. How I flow through the party with a drink in my hand. They watch me, I'm sloppy, my flow cocky. Probably go broccoli, you can't stop me. The party was popping like a body. Eye for an eye like it's Hammurabi. She drinking, I fucked up, now her luck's up. Gotta leave the club cause I fucked my bucks up. On the couch I'm kicking it, no nunchucks. We gon' do it all again, give no fucks.